In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Claude.AI account quickly and easily. Whether you're signing in for the first time or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the exact steps so you can get into your account without confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple AI and software walkthroughs. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Claude.AI. This is the official Claude website, so make sure you type the address correctly to avoid landing on the wrong page. Once the site loads, you should see the Claude homepage with a clear login button on the screen. Now go ahead and click login. After that, Claude will take you to the sign-in page where you can choose the account method you want to use. Depending on how your account was created, you may be able to sign in with your email, Google, or another linked account. If you want to log in with email, enter the email address associated with your Claude account, then follow any verification steps that appear on screen. If you use Google to create your account, simply click the Google sign-in option and choose the correct Google account from the list. If you connected another account type, select that option and continue with the login process. Once your details are entered, complete any prompts that appear, such as confirmation codes, security checks, or account permissions. After that, Claude will finish signing you in and bring you to your dashboard or chat interface. If you don't get signed in right away, double check that you're using the correct email or connected account. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you're on the official Claude website. Sometimes a browser refresh can also help if the page doesn't load properly. And that's it. You've now learned how to log in to your Claude.AI account. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.